Hi everyone. There may be a question about what happens if the ABC company delivers the services mentioned in part F in the previous video. The company received $8,000 in cash in advance. So the question is, what happens when the company delivers those services? In this case, what we are going to do is we are going to record this particular transaction, and we are going to record it under retained earnings. So the company is actually delivering the services. So in this case, what we need to do is the liability is going to decrease, so there is no liability anymore. We are delivering the services, and as a result we are going to recognize that revenue. So we are going to increase retained earnings. Now that we have delivered the services for which we had received an advanced payment, now we can record that particular piece as revenue.